Top 7 Best Motorcycle Dash Cam in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Vsysto No Screen Dash Cam. As the name suggests, this motorcycle dash cam from Vsysto does not have a monitor screen, which I guess is not much of a deal breaker. The dual 1080p high-definition camera with the Sony IMX323 sensor and 6-layer glass lens shoots an excellent image quality even at low-light conditions with a 140-degree wide-angle view. What makes the Vsysto BL6 unique is the I67 waterproof metal shell of the unit, which makes up for better heat dissipation than plastic. With inbuilt Wi-Fi, the user can watch real-time videos, download and edit them, and share them from their smartphone app. The dashcam also features G-sensor technology that is instantly activated in case of a collision. There's also a manual wire-controlled remote to take pictures and videos. The maximum storage capacity is 128 GB, along with an auto-loop recording feature that can be set to record video at a frequency of 1, 3, or 5 minutes. Number 6. Blueskysea XB701. With the XB701, Blueskysea, one of the best motorcycle dash cam manufacturers in the industry. The dual camera features a 1080p Sony IMX307 CMOS sensor high-resolution 6G all-glass camera with AR optical coating, united with an f/.8 lens to capture more light to provide superior night vision. The central unit has a 3-monitor with a dual interface system, a video display interface, and a data table interface that displays altitude, maximum speed, as well as real-time speed, compass, and air pressure. The entire dashcam system is I67 fully waterproof, along with the monitor screen. The XB701 is built with G-sensor technology that automatically saves and locks footage during collisions. There's also a manual remote control button to lock important footage. Not to forget, the device has a maximum storage capacity of 256 GB with a loop recording feature and a parking monitor, which secures the bike when you're away. Number 5. HaloCam Phone. The best motorcycle dash cam should be able to provide ultimate riding safety and pleasure. And that is what the HaloCam Phone promises it to be with its dual 1080p Full HD resolution cameras fused with the Sony IMX323 CMOS sensor to enhance imaging performance in a dark light environment. With a f/.8 large aperture, the cameras can capture 30% more light to serve super night vision. The dashcam is designed to capture more scenery with its 155-degree wide angle for a large view. With its mobile app and built-in Wi-Fi, the device is easy to connect and share. Users can watch real-time videos, download, edit videos, add music to them, and share directly from their phone. The device comes with a GPS antenna that tracks your riding route, letting you know where you've been. There's also a snapshot button that enables you to take pictures along with a 15-second video at a single click. Number 4. Vsysto Fisheye Cam. The Vsysto dash cam has excellent image quality with its 6 glass camera lenses on both front and rear camera. The 150-degree wide-angle fisheye view captures multiple lanes. The camera features a Sony IMX323 sensor that shoots videos at 1080p resolution with a super night vision feature to capture crisp video at low light conditions. The dashcam is I67 rated, resistant to water, whereas the DVR has a 3 LCD screen to watch the live footage when needed. The device is designed to be hardwired with the motorcycle battery or connected via a USB port on the motorcycle. With built-in Wi-Fi and a proprietary mobile app, the videos can be shared and transferred easily. The Vsysto also features an auto-looping system to save memory storage and reuse them. It also has a G-sensor to detect any motion to save the captured video automatically. Number 3. Blueskysea DV688. The DV688 is a 2-channel camera system with front and rear lenses with a 130-degree wide-angle view. The device equips Sony 323 plus 6 light sensors on both front and rear cameras to shoot high-definition 1080p videos. Both the cameras and the DVR are IPX6 rated, which means you don't have to worry about rainy days since the system is waterproof and can handle heavy rains. The device supports a maximum storage capacity of 128 GB. The V688 has a loop recording feature that automatically overrides the older files once the SD card is full. Also, the loop recording time can be set accordingly as 1 to 5 or 10 minutes. The GPS features come as optional in the device, while it has a built-in microphone that can be controlled remotely. The Blueskysea has a small 2.35 LCD screen on the DVR, comparatively bright at night. It also features a G-sensor lock, which automatically locks the video footage in case of an event and saves them permanently. Number 2. Thinkware Sports M1. The Sports M1 by Thinkware follows a start and go setup that operates with the ignition. Once the device is connected with the motorcycle's battery, you can forget it all. The M1 will automatically start recording when the ignition is turned on and stops when the ignition is killed. The 2-channel camera system shoots full HD 1080p for both the front and back of your bike with its wide viewing angle and wide dynamic range, WDR for the proper contrast and exposure under any environment. The dashcam features a Sony Star VS sensor that helps to capture cinematic full HD 1080 videos of both front and rear view with Super Night Vision 2.0 technology that reduces noise and enhances the image quality in low light conditions. Equipped with the advanced electronic image stabilization (EIS) feature, the camera reduces motion blur and vibrations to ensure smooth video recordings. A built-in GPS helps you to track your speed, which is straight away logged into your video footage. Number 1. Innovv K5. Considering the security of motorcycles, the K5 is a dual-channel camera system made from CNC aluminum. The camera has a G6 lens with a 120-degree angle view on both front and back to keep your motorcycle secure from both ends. Innovv K5 system is designed to be hardwired and sets you free from checking the battery status. The dashcam is supported with dual-band Wi-Fi, which makes it a smooth experience to connect to its proprietary app for iOS and Android to let you watch live recordings and share your footage with friends and family on social media. The camera lenses are I67 water and dust resistant, while the central controller DVR is I65 water and dust resistant. Once you set up the device, you can forget it as the system is resistant to water, dirt, sand. The K5 features a Sony 8-megapixel sensor on the front to capture footage in 4K Ultra HD/1080p Full HD at 30 FPS. Also, the maximum supported memory capacity is 512 GB. What makes the K5 special is the intelligent parking mode that triggers auto-recording when you park the vehicle, monitoring your motorcycle for any movements when you are away. GPS tagging comes as a standard, where speed and location are logged into each recording. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best motorcycle dashcam in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.